I haven't been vlogging much this summer. I've been up in my harbor town, up in upper state New York, and I've been staying with my 2 aunts. It's been absolutely wonderful being back home. So I have been up here for, 2.5 months up in my hometown, and it is time to go. But I wanted to show you what I've been doing for the last 2 months. I completely switched the van. The bed is now right there. And as you can see, I cut the mattress. I made it so that it's more of a couch, but it pulls out very easily and the back drops down. Cabinet right here that now has all my food. I kind of like that. That took me a while. And since I have less counter space, I also put a drop down to sit in front of the windows and cook. It doesn't seem like it would have been too much worth of work, but trust me, it was. I finished about 5 minutes ago, and I pull out in the morning. I'm planning on leaving here at about 9:30. Going to be bittersweet. I have totally enjoyed being at home this whole summer. And just, after 4 years in the van, just completely relaxing. So this is the finished product. What I really like about the way I've rearranged it is I now have a complete walkthrough with my bed across the back. Before, it was 5'9" across, and I'm 5'9", so I have to go kitty corner, otherwise my toes are up totally straight, and it was kind of uncomfortable. With this way, and I've been wanting to do this for so long, I made the bed with, it looks like a couch. This right here, that will drop down. Yeah, but I repainted the back here. I've redone all of it. The next big project I did was this crazy shelf unit here. Took me forever. But all that stuff used to be under my bed, and I was always just bending down to get it, and I have a bad back, so that was really bothering me. So I made this shelf unit, and see, it holds all of my shelves down in there now, which is so nice. I have everything organized. Well, to tell you the truth, I don't have it organized so well. I don't know where everything is right now, because whenever you redo your van, you kind of lost on where things are for a while. Let me just show you a look at the van from this side. See, all the way through. I love it. I love it like this.